Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into the AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. A compact yet powerful keyboard designed to elevate both your gaming and productivity experience. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or someone who spends long hours typing, this keyboard packs a serious punch with its premium features. First up, connectivity. The AULA F99 Pro is a tri-mode keyboard, meaning it supports 3 different ways to connect: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode. This versatility allows you to pair it with up to 5 devices at the same time and effortlessly switch between them using a simple FN key combination or a side button. So whether you want to jump from your laptop to your phone or gaming console, this keyboard adapts without missing a beat. One of the standout features is the multifunctional control knob. This knob is designed to handle both lighting and multimedia controls. When you're in backlit mode, rotating the knob adjusts the RGB lighting brightness, and clicking it cycles through different lighting effects. Switch it to multimedia mode, and that same knob controls your volume and playback functions. It's a smart design that puts convenience right at your fingertips without having to fumble with shortcuts or separate controls. Speaking of lighting, the keyboard boasts 16 customizable RGB lighting effects, with support for music rhythm lighting that reacts dynamically, making your setup visually stunning. The keycaps themselves are made from double-shot PBT material. These keycaps are highly durable, resistant to wear, and ensure that the legends don't fade over time. The side-printed black keycaps also add a sleek, professional aesthetic to the keyboard. The AULA F99 Pro features a hot-swappable design, allowing you to easily replace switches without soldering. It comes pre-installed with pre-lubed linear switches that offer a smooth and quiet typing experience, great for gaming and prolonged use. If you want to customize your feel, you can swap out 3-pin or 5-pin switches with ease, giving you full control over your typing experience. In terms of build, the keyboard uses an advanced structure with an integrated silicone pad and a PCB single-key slotting system. This combination improves the keyboard's stability and resilience while providing a softer, more elastic feel under your fingers. 5 layers of silencer material help reduce noise from key presses, delivering a solid yet quiet typing experience. The keyboard layout is a compact 96% design with 99 keys, which saves desk space without sacrificing essential keys like the arrow keys and the number pad area. This makes it ideal for gamers and professionals who want a tidy workspace. Powering all of this is a massive 8000 mAh rechargeable battery, which ensures long-lasting usage on wireless modes. However, it's worth noting that the keyboard should not be charged with fast-charging cables to maintain battery health. For users who work across different operating systems, the keyboard supports quick switching between Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS modes. This ensures that your shortcuts and function keys behave correctly, adapting to your device seamlessly. Additionally, the keyboard stand offers 2 adjustable height levels so you can find the perfect typing angle for comfort and ergonomics. Overall, the AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard offers an impressive balance of features. From versatile multi-device connectivity and customizable RGB lighting to hot-swappable switches and a long-lasting battery, it's built for gamers and professionals alike who want a reliable, adaptable keyboard that performs well in any setting. If you're looking to upgrade your setup with a compact, feature-rich mechanical keyboard, the AULA F99 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Scout. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns and tech insights. See you in the next video.